I would like to to share to you and correct some so-called dream interpretation about 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 poop. They said that poop is a sign of money. That is so stupid meaning. Where you can find it in the Bible verse, but you can find in Isaiah chapter 5 verse 20 says, sorrow for those who say that evil is good and good is evil, that dark is light and light is dark. So, God never called dirty clean. When it is dirty, it is dirty. So, if you don't have a prophetic gifts like Daniel and Joseph, don't try to interpret or don't pretend to know how to interpret dreams. You will be beheaded if you live in the times of Daniel. You will be beheaded by the king of Nebuchadnezzar because of wrong interpretation. Don't do that. Ask the Lord first if what is the meaning of those dreams. Because that dream interpretation is not from the Lord. It is came from New Age interpretation, which is common in the Chinese and Indian interpreter. So don't do that. Ask the Lord what is the real meaning of the dreams, because if you don't know how to hear from the Lord, you cannot interpret dreams or give meanings to the dream. So don't do that. Be careful.